Did I tell you about my new term? Selequity. Selective equity. I wrote this down last night. Selequity. Selecting the most ambiguous issues around equity while ignoring the inequitable policies and practices that are alive and well on your campus. Selequity provides you with all the benefits of intense conversations, woke discussions, awesome book studies, without the annoyance of actually examining the practices and policies at your own school. Like, so you get all the benefit of passion and purpose without actually having to do the work. Isn't that amazing? Selequity.